Okay? So in the world of trading, I repeat again, income trade is what I call multi-directional trade. Market go up, one price action value, market drop, one price action value, market don't move, you can make money. Even by definition, every right, the market can move to 3 times price, 2 times the price action value against you. You sell, let's say you sell a bear call spread, and you follow my income trading strategy rules, and the market move 2 times price action value against you, you still can make money. In fact, by nature, right or speaking, what we structure now normally is up to 3 times plus minus price action value out of the money. But this rule is not 100% reliable, to be fair. Okay? Okay? So basically, let's say now price level is $30 a day. Normally, when you sell an income trade, you definitely will sell 60, 80, 100, 120 points out of the money. So even the market goes 60 points against you, you will still out of the money. Understand so far? So, income trade is what I call, by nature, it's a credit spread trade. Must collect money upfront, and by nature, it's a multi-dimensional trade. Means that market go against you, bullish, go up, bullish, very sideways, you still can make money. It's when you lose, it's suddenly the thing suddenly shoot against you, go up. You let's say you have to do an iron condor, and suddenly market drop, limit down, drop 7%, then nothing much to say. You will definitely lose money. Okay? Income trade is based on normal market behavior patterns. Yes, that's what For it to move 3 price action value downward in a single day or 2 days, is it normal, abnormal? Abnormal. So once anything abnormal happen, you are prepared to lose. Especially abnormality in one directionality. If abnormality is shoot up here, go up yo here and there, 2-3 price action value is still safe. Okay? Question so far? So a bear call spread depends how you deploy it. If you go and buy but you go and sell a bear call spread and the money, that is a directional trade. Because why? In the normal price, in the normal market noise, your at the money call, your at the money bear call spread, credit spread trade, can be in the money very fast.
Yep.
Okay? In the world of trading, listen carefully. And we can start, let me listen carefully. When you start trading, we got at the money correct. Okay, we got out of the money correct. We got far out of the money correct. We got far out of the money. You know that at the money, out of the money, in the money correct? Not true,
Yeah.
In my trading, at the money, out of the money, far out of the money, far out of the money. If you want to go extreme, far out of the money, also can.
How about in the money?
Can. Let's be honest, if in the money by one strike price, is it the same as in the money to delta 90? Hey, don't laugh though. For S&P 500, you're in the money, can go as far as 500 or 1,000 points down. S&P 500 can go down 1,000 points in the money.
But usually nobody does that, right? Because
what mean nobody does that?
Because you will get assigned.
No.
S&P.
S&P.
Forget about S&P.
Assignment is not a problem, my friend. You don't understand what I'm saying. You worry about this type of thing. You worry about being banked by a car. Hello, we all were worried about banking a car. What's the chance of being banked by a car? Like friend Francis asked the whole group, I was assigned twice in a row. By the way, anybody else in the 2020 tutorial group, anybody got assignment? Early assignment? Only him only.
I got one for the income IBM trade.
Because you got the expiry, correct?
No, after the earnings announced, then I think the price moved quite a bit. So they assigned
let's be honest, there got more car accidents happen to you. Okay, that's it. It's a probability game. You want to KS a bit, don't do trading.
But if it's in the money, then the risk will be quite high, right? Actually for
no, depends.
What trade you have? I have in the money, deep in the money for Tesla.
Why no assignment?
Ask yourself, why people want to convert from option to shares? Is there a reason to do that? You see, you worry about the flow. If this thing in money might sign.
I mean, if they want to,
not worth it to assign me or.
They assign you because the current market price is high, so they assign you.
My
then
one
they buy
$200 only, they assign me not worth it.
No lah, it's not so much. You worry about assignment. You worry about it. Don't trade. Don't trade. You worry about it, why trade? I worry, I don't know what price to enter. Oh, don't trade because all these are your internal issues. No offense, Now listen to me carefully. In the world of trading, it's the ambiguity inside, not a problem. Okay? The biggest problem now you're facing now, you must understand what is your risk parameter. You don't worry about things happening. Things will happen. How to lose $41,000 in 6 hours? You want to know? Ultra trading. I keep my fault. I hold the trade too long. The money I said I can afford to lose. It's not how much. It's not the 41K I lost. Problem. It's ability because why emotional identify is not a filthy rich because it's not how much money I lose. Problem. It's ability to understand that no matter how much money you lose, you must have ability to win back. So you don't be fearful about losing. Welcome losses as on understanding that I don't mind losing because why? So what? You take from me, I take back from you, lor. You see, there's no such thing as I must make every trade. That's why people ask me about how much returns how many tosses. There's one guy coming and asking how much are you making? Can I see your straight account? I feel like showing finger to him. I call him out. I won't feel like if I reply back to you, I think I will offend you. So I don't want to reply back to you. Okay, if you want to come, you want to meet out my studios, come in, but no mind. Because at the end of the day, you tell me how much you make for that, I follow you. If a person can lose $41,000 for $100,000 and continue trading, do you think it's a big problem?
Not really.
See, the ability to lose is more important than the ability to win. Agree with me lah? Listen to yourself, once you're able to handle what's the most dangerous things to you now? Losses, correct?
Yeah.
Affect you emotionally, financially, correct? Winning is not a problem, correct? Winning is just
a bonus.
Correct. So you must focus on what the most dangerous thing that can stop you from becoming successful. Okay? In the world of trading, income trading by nature itself is by income trading it's actually meant to be can be passive, can be aggressive. Let me show you one form of income trading. Which all you all will not do. You all will not do what? Okay? Sell deep in the money calls, in the money puts stronger.
Okay, I mean the credit collected will be huge.
The margin will be bigger.
The margin will be
And both sides is a losing game. Okay? Your job is to trade volatility. You know the yo-yo with trade, huh? I got income version of it.
Okay.
But I haven't teach yet. Not because I don't want to teach, but currently none of you can handle it. Don't get it. I like correct. Sell money correct. In the money correct. What happened now? What happened? The thing reverse, suddenly reverse. If the thing volatility shoot up, reverse back. From in the money become out of the money. At the money. What happened to the premium? Expand the contract.
From in the money become out of the at the money.
At the money, out of the money, don't move
Contract.
Can you close? Okay, the thing afterwards, the thing you volatile your market after the thing flip go down all the way down, correct? The put side same thing happen to put side, correct?
So the in the money become at the money, then
Out of the money.
Then you can close it.
Take profit now.
Okay. So that's in the money strangle.
Actually, technically, it's
Yo-yo.
in the money strangle, or either I won't say deep in the money just say in the money plus strangle. It's not in the money as per se, but it's actually in the money technically speaking. It normally I don't sell one or two strike price in the money. I will sell more than that. Right? How much more? I will depend how much price action volatility you have, or how much option premium analysis will tell me what to do.
But this one you will need high price action volatility.
You can be a slow price action also. I got student modify to do training market, to do the market itself. There's so many different variations, but let's focus on yourself first. For your trade, for cases no, your job now is to trade as short as possible. With the exceptions of longer duration trade is what? Your investment substitutions. Investor substitutions. Yeah. Another one will be what? Another one will be the income trade for on intra-quarterly cycles. The rest all tactical.
Okay.
You understand the word by tactical? No?
Tactical means less than
35 days.
5 days.
It's not statistical. It's not big picture. Of course, if you want to go do a leaps, that is the big picture. The parameters of a big picture trade or investment is totally different from tactical trade. Like Baba like that. If you enter about bearish trade, you take profit, you enter again. Just enter, take profit, just continue to do it lah. Because I don't think Baba will anytime soon.
But now when it bounced off
It's why you ever heard the word? You understand what I'm saying?
Big cat bounce.
They can bounce. Think fundamentally, you think the problem solved already? You think Xi Jinping forget him, forget Alibaba, forget Jack Ma already or become best friend forever No crap.
I think they want to pay him a fine something for the time being.
Not only him, there are few.
Tencent, all those.
They want literally Chinese say they kill one chicken to threaten the whole hen house.
He wants 杀鸡儆猴。
杀一儆百。
Kill the chicken
Kill one to scare the
monkey.
Okay, listen carefully So the word trading income trade by nature is multi-dimensional trading.
Yeah.
Market don't move, market move. As long this one multi-dimensional trading, it can be in normal market, abnormal market. Abnormal market can be what we call can be predictive, can be totally unknown. Okay, like our friend Alibaba one, the one is totally unknown. I heard the way rumors come out. Xi Jinping last minute say want to whack Jack Ma. Last minute one. It's not deliberate. It's not what we call deliberate planning by the China CPC to go and whack Jack Ma. It's a last minute hasty action one. Remember, Jack Ma got supporters within the government. Okay? So unfortunately, in this case, the supporters not enough to hold the fort. Now, okay, question over. So income trade is a trade that is a multi-dimensional trading that is not affected by any time premium. Normally will not affected by any normal market movement.
But okay, for that so-called creative trade in the money strangle.
Don't worry. Forget it. You ask this question for what? Do you got $200,000 cash inside?
No.
Then don't ask. I'll just share you the potentiality. There's a reason why the night the 20 group I show one intra-week calendar there. Wow. I said Thomas, and then Thomas, you did share that. I share a trade the intra-week means that when 31st and 4th of January the calendar. Oh, I literally say, did I teach? Yeah, so you teach on the 18th of December. Okay. Chinese say I share too much. See market trade too much. That's the trade I do. What? Short 31st?
Yeah.
Buy 4th. I show the trade. Everybody go and do. Lucky all make 30, 40, 50 days. One guy make 100% and run already.
The calendar is a calendar trade.
It's a calendar trade.
Short 31st and buy long 4.
Yeah.
But it actually was open on 18th of December.
The margin quite high.
Lucky not margin quite high. The cost is quite cheap.
It's a debit, right?
No, this is for this calendar trade. Initially, it's a debit, but if you okay, let's focus on in the world of trading. You must be careful. There's open risk, fixed risk, NA risk.
Calendar is NA.
And if you know what you're doing, you know what if you are steady, you know what you're doing, it's quite good.
Very good.
But if you're not steady, if you're not confident, you gotta wait. Who's that place? Sign in. Then go and scan in, take your temperature, clean your hands, okay, and check in, clean check in. You mean that one is actually quite cheap because the difference between your 31st and the 4th days only. Collect $1 plus $1 plus $2-3 trade for iron condors for directional for this type of trading is cheap. Because remember S&P 500 one day can move how many dollars?
No, this few days very small.
I know, but it's actually price action value relation based.
Yeah.
So calendar is always the long calendar is always a debit premium, right? It's not.
Yeah.
It's not going to be a Sorry, fighting.
Oh, sorry.
Be careful, ah. The chair waiting to throw away already.
Oh. Oh.
Okay, you understand lah? It's actually long trade. Just be careful lah. The day I send one trade to you, the other guy, what kind of Francis, no, Sam, on the spot, like the trade. Well, calculate very good trade. Margin $70,000 margin.
70,000. Okay.
$70,000 margin. So it's not that he don't want to do. I think financially he can do it lah, but emotionally kena spend spend 1 year plus with me already mentally conditioned never do not reach $75,000 when I can do better. I can do better trades.
It's okay, what? I mean,
Okay.
within his parameter.
Yeah, but if now is because he's so well taught by me and conditioned by me already so if anything more than 3-5K I don't think he want to do already. You run anything more than a few thousand or several thousand, he's not going to do it already. You financially can afford it. Emotionally, skill-wise, competency-wise, knowledge-wise, no, thank you. Because I think he cannot write before. He cannot write before. Okay, Francis now he will not practice 2 plus 2 plus 2 anymore. Okay, after the futures incident with him,
Yeah.
he lose trade, but overconfident, he double down. He lost end up 5 figures plus.
At least the time earlier he stopped it, not so bad.
Yeah, but he don't need double down.
Yeah.
Because I'm right, market is wrong. Double down wrong. What I call overconfident. Market is always right one. Unless you like me like that, I take the 41K loss per day lah. Actually loss bigger than that, but I know anyway don't want to talk about it first, okay? Anyway, I should post out. Any should post out, share with you all. 1 day only 8 hours. I think 5-6 hours only because I enter 1 hour later. Come in, man. So question is so income trade by nature is a multi-dimensional trade. Market don't move, make money. Market move against you, also make money. Market go in favor, you also make money. So when you lose money is that the market go against you in big time, abnormally. Means what? After enter a trade, the last 7 days, every 2 days make new high. Normal, abnormal. Or worse, after enter a trade, 5 days make new high. Every day make new high. That's considered abnormal. Once you got abnormality, then the income trade you selling to Baba is most of the time is bad. It's going to be hurt. Because option premium analysis is based on what? Market expectancy. Means that based on market normality movements. So another thing, this very much possible later on when you come get bigger. Never, especially this to our friend here, Mr. Yong, never put all your capital into one strategy or one expiry. That is a bad no. Donald Trump, anything happened by Donald Trump the day, you in problem, or something happened, I don't know. I've been there before. You go and put a basket of 10 trades, one trade. If you have the budget for 10 trades, why don't you do this way? Every Friday, every week, 7 days, 2 trades, 5 weeks in a row, better, correct? Safer, correct?
Yeah, but my calendar spread is to make the curve smoother. It's not.
No, I don't care the curve.
Alright.
I'm not interested. I don't care. I don't mind why. Because in world trading, I'm not interested in curve because in today's market, most of the time, we don't hold until the end, take profit now.
Right.
We now fast out, take profit now, correct? In fact I told Francis for that calendar to hold until tonight. You know what? He run away. He make 80%. He run already. He run away already.
Good, wow.
He got the calendar trade for what now? 31st expiry, 31st and 4th I think 4th of Jan next Monday.
Oh,
okay. Let me go see how much he make or lose. He make money. He run away like he.
What trade is that?
A calendar.
I don't know.
The one I told you about here. Look here.
What was the premium?
Yeah. It's not trade lah. It's not. No, I think it's expensive. No, I meant that.
I didn't do it.
See look. He buy on the 4th, 30th and the 4th, 30th and 8th. So he sold it now. He saw how much you make. He not very much lah. $130. Okay lah. How many days? You open on the 18th. Because at night I teach him one. Then this one XPS trade. No mind. Let's look for calendar again. This one who's that? This one is XPS. This one also go. Calendar trade. 2nd of December here. Don't know which guy is this. 2nd of December here.
He got the Apple one.
2nd, no. 2nd of December here, take profit. How much you buy? Now he cash out at 6. He buy out at sell to close at 660. You buy at 415. But he do that on 18 also. Yeah, okay.
You got one apple, right? Calendar.
He never share.
Yeah, let me see the apple calendar.
You all must start sharing there, okay? If you don't share, I wouldn't after your course over, I will not invite you all back, okay?
It's April, long call is on April, then the short call already closed already. The long call will be bought at trade price 8.95, now market price is 15.25.
Now all your trades are must be tactical, means that 35 days or less. Okay? For example, let's say now your income budget of $3,000. Average out, let's be honest, average out, spread it into 5 trades, 6 trades of $500 each. What can you do? 3 trades of S&P 500 index, 3 trades of Russell 2000.
Russell 2000.
Then big cap, small cap.
Oh, NDX is $10 to
NDX very difficult. Can go to 25.
Oh, okay.
Russell 2000 is also $10, right?
Some weeks,
$5.
shorter term, intra-month or the intra-month cycle is about $5 spread.
$5 spread.
Oh, okay.
Your job is not to smoothen the curve. Your job is to make sure fast in, fast out. You see, when you see all the curve things you see down there, is actually most of the time is optimized hold until expiry. Who is expiry nowadays?
Index SPS I hold until expiry.
Yeah, even there I don't want, okay? Yesterday night I closed the trade very die laughing. If I hold until the end, if I never put take profit order in, buy to close, okay, then I will end up lose $2.
30th.
No, I lose 20 cents.
30th one, that one. Last night expiry one.
Yeah, I showed you now.
Tonight one I haven't
The 31st
yet.
December, right?
31st December one, I got that trade I put up, remember?
Yeah, I think you
which
put
one?
up one.
Let me share.
I got 31st December. See tonight how.
But there's one you put up.
I put up 2 days. 2 days I put up extreme XPX trading. Let me send to you. Let me send to you now.
My parameter is what? My core is
Yeah.
my core.
There's one that you put up.
Here. I put out this one I in condo I sell for 210 2 days ago.
Oh.
Okay, I buy back. You see, I buy back almost closing time.
Oh.
The market actually, if I hold until the end, the price I was in the money by $2. But okay technically still okay because I sell the time I sell for 210 already. I sell for 210 credit, so not a problem. So technically I'm not lose money
My one is 2710, the put side.
Take profit in
Don't
don't try to maximize it.
Yeah, okay.
Especially unless very clear cut very clear cut is actually settled If not, get out
Okay lah. Then,
Remember rule of trading spread your risk. $3,000 budget, spread it into maybe you want KS a bit do NDX 2 contracts on 2 contracts on Dow Jones. Dow Jones cannot. Dow Jones I don't think.
not so good at DJX.
DJ.
No, I think what.
DJ.
Focus on Russell 2000 and Russell 2000 and XPX.
Yes.
Yeah.
These two enough. So your 1,005 can split into 3 trades. Into 3 trades times 2.
But no sub-wikis.
No, you can do something.
No, for your level do something first.
Oh.
You can live and die yourself because you don't cry for help.
I don't cry for help. Yeah, you're right. Okay, so I close the 31st one. Tonight one.
See, and nothing wrong with the thing I trade. The problem is skill competency level. One thing good about index worst of the world is cash settled.
Nice the profit. Last night open one. Nice profit.
But anyway, don't mind. Tonight must close the trade already.
Yeah,
Tonight market close at 2 p.m. in the morning
Half day.
Wow.
No, 3 p.m. 3 a.m. in the morning.
Never mind, I put 50 cents.
Don't be like me I put 60 cents already I get out already I make $1.50 for this damn trade.
Last night 3 o'clock they open. This morning 3 o'clock they open one .
Okay lor, fine.
1:30 leh. Okay lah.
This trade is actually what I look carefully. Hey, don't laugh for gentlemen. People ask me can retire now. Fuck I trade like that. I put in listen carefully. I put in $5,000 worth of iron condors, income iron condors inside. This is considered aggressive by very nature.
My one 3760 call 3765 call.
At 1:30.
3710 3705.
$60, $65 okay ah.
Okay ah.
$65 okay.
Huh? Okay ah.
But he sold at 1:30.
That's what I wanted.
You can sell anytime one, provided okay,
Last
let's
night not open no. Then today
Last
close
night I saw it's 170, right?
No, I open in the morning 2:30. When I wake up, because last night I slept at 8 o'clock.
You understand me or not? A good trader can on you sometimes you ever see my picture of me, correct? Trading in island of Greece like that. Okay, good. That was day trading, you know.
Then I see the
The price was cheap enough, I feel confident enough I can afford to lose.
I bought is because I see the range is quite narrow.
Not you bought, you're selling.
I selling. I see that the range is quite narrow lah. Then today is a half day only
Until officially until 2 p.m.
So that's why I think
And it was how much you can lose. You look 60. Let's say you collect $2 for $5 spread. The return over is 67%, 60%. When I say risk, I'm not talking about stock risk. I'm talking about your Chinese here. House burn down start restarting. Okay, now for your risk a 3K account size or 1.5K in S&P 500 and now 1.5K into Russell 2000. Okay. The Russell 2000, some of the longer data expiry may not be $500, be $1,000. So no problem. So end up maybe we're doing about three trades for S&P 500, another 2 or 3 trades for Nasdaq 100.
Quite nice
No, Russell 2000.
80 cent, 50 cent, okay lah. Indication. Okay.
That. Okay, now so these are trades. So let me trade like that. If you can do this trade $5,000 every week, you just put $5,000. Risk is $3,000 now. You make thousand. This case 1,500 here now. 1 week, 1 time can. It's what I call fixed risk trading. And be honest, $5,000 to me is if you don't put 5% of trade inside, you diversified. You see the problem I do this now because this trade I put so much trade inside because this is considered aggressive trading. This is considered intra-week, intraday trading startup. So intraday, you can put away. If you want to do a 14-day, 21-day trade, you do this one time, I score you literally. Why should you go and put 10 trades in when you can put why don't you do this? 15 2 trades 3 trades then 29 2 3 trades then 19 August September 2 3 trades end of February 2 3 trades better correct, safer correct. This one I don't want you Chinese say kena one arrow one not only whole ship collapse down.
But we shouldn't open all at the same time.
Of course. Don't like somebody send me 10 trades 10 opening trades 50 minutes working order and I got 27 contracts inside.
The thing is SBS
How is that a demo account? It's real account literally I will be blood.
Yeah, it's a real account.
Hey, he put in 10 trades 10 trades on the same trade same expiry, calendar same expiry. One thing good is different strike price only but same expiry, same period, 10 different trades, different strike price. Put 10 trades inside 27 contracts in 50 minutes.
Okay.
That's why I said you make a lot of mistakes, 4 mistakes.
Don't put all in one basket.
First, your first strategy all in basket. Secondly, put all in one time.
Yeah, don't put all. I have this long list got different expiry date.
Not necessarily. You don't put it on one day, one hour.
Yeah.
Just remember 9
Yeah.
2-3 trades every. Okay, tonight 2-3 trades. Tuesday night 3 day Wednesday 2-3 trades. Cumulative. Then you create what we call a ladder.
Yeah.
Not like Chinese say like you are not casino like that. Okay. Your job is to create a cascade ladder. I think recently I sent a picture to you guys. One of my iron condors, correct? S&P 500 condors, correct?
Right.
0 days, 17 days, 13 days, 21 days, 28 days, 35 days. That is what it's called cascade ladder. So by doing this, you are commit X number $3,000 into the iron condor trade, but you're dividing into different time frames and different under.
Price,
And you enter differently. Okay, don't enter one time. This type of thing is a must. Your job now is not to smoothen the case. Your job is entry. It's not to smoothen theoretically. For you to do theoretically, nothing wrong. If you're running a multi-billion-dollar fund, hedge fund, but we are one man show that. And secondly, before you get too smart, Alex, please learn how to run your own. At least learn how to walk a jog first. So like I said, the world of trading, you cannot be you. The stage of evolution is never that way one. No. The stage of evolution, Thomas, I like to think a lot of people focus on this one, knowledge only. Then they start practicing. But most of them are never, and most of them never reach the stage of the bottom part. This is not knowledge based and skill based. This is market based. Market first, you second. Then strategies and know-how, everything come last. Okay. I don't know why, but to be fair, everybody, you notice there is after you there is more boating and yachting magazine than trading magazines. No boating boating and yachting magazine or car magazine. There got more car magazine or boating magazine any one of them than trading investing magazine. Because why boat sexy multi-million dollars yet speed boat can go 100 kilometers per hour car latest spider variation custom built all these are vehicle for knowledge. It's not the using part. My side here is focused using part. Can you see here this is your learning curve. Which one are you? I don't want to talk too much. The fact that you lump one time I put 15 same strategies on the same underlying on the same expiry at the same time. I was very patient with him. That's why I asked me. That's why I talk. Why say I was fighting? Why Thomas never reply back to me? Because I don't reply back. You know me very sharp and point blank one. After can offend you very easy one.
It's okay, it's okay. I'm okay. Because I've been doing the strategy since 2019.
The problem is never strategies.
Right.
Your job is to which one market first in the world of trading here slide here.
Right.
So some let's see here this one here.
Right.
Wow, so many here. Give me a minute. Let me go find back here some first. Give me this. Make sure this is, if you want to become a good trader if you can reach this stage, you reach the best to reach this stage of evolution. Where is it now? Here. You can do this. This is the best stage of evolution. Read carefully.
You sent me before.
So this is the stage of evolution now. Most of you now I'm being forced to because I literally have warming blood. You know one a few of them. So
I better get a cup for you.
Yeah.
You can move it.
You can see most of them are stuck in here, focused on here. Strategies and things like that. It's not here. They focus on the tools, how to use the tools. They never focus on the job. What's the job? My job with $3,000, how to create an income stream for the next 2-month cycle with the lowest possible with the lowest capital exposure, highest possible return, and lowest risk and high visible probability in my favor. Probability is always return over risk. If you can, how many trades you offer to lose? That's the problem. If that's the reason why you notice I never tell you to put all your 10 contracts one time. Never one. Even last time, very new last time you say, oh, I got $2,000 of risk I want to do on next Tesla. I teach him to split the trade. He's I think it was $2,000 actually. Actually his trade he's very straight on Tesla into 4 different expiry. Why? Learning curve. You won't die. The problem is there's always abnormal market move and you and I cannot predict it.
Yeah, the best thing is all take profit.
Any questions? Okay, so let's go back income trade. Income trading is a form of multi-dimensional trading. Repeat again. Multi-dimensional trading in what way? In the sense of the way that it is multi-direction. Means that market go against you by 10, 20 points, 30 points, 40 points, 50 points, it's not problem. As long as the market do not abnormal move against you by 2, 3, 4 times price action against you, you are safe. If the market move on price action against you, or one standard deviation against you, you are supposed to be safe. You understand me now? I use the word standard deviation, one standard deviation because the way I teach you now is sell further out of the money, further out the standard deviation.
Wait, so sub 50 is not encourageable
for you, you can go ahead because you can afford to lose.
SPX.
No. Liquidity is one thing. For you, focus on weekly first. Okay, understand me now? Your job is, you want to start with harder thing or start with easier thing?
Start with the easier but
Friday nights.
Friday is easier.
But also want to observe to see what's wrong with
the problem.
Nothing wrong.
Nothing wrong with the sub-release. But the problem with sub-release is what? It's not as popular. Do you know why I said 31st of December we can do the trade for 31st of December? few days ago, because 31st is not a weekly or sub-weekly, it's a quarterly. There is this 31st December quarterly have been in the market have been traded in the market for coming to 1 year already.
Window dressing up.
No, I don't care window dressing. You this time I don't care. You can take window dressing or for grandfather dressing up or dressing down, I don't care. But we just do it such a way. Because I want you to learn. After the trade, only $500 only. Final caps, got like $200 credit upfront, so $300. So return over is potentially 67% with 67 to 60% return in 3 days. Okay. Questions? That one 31st of December is not a sub-weekly it's a quarterly Quarterly if for S&P 500 index those old options every time you can see you got four quarterlies. So this is the dying quarterly, it means the last quarterly. So basically this quarterly will be business for coming to how long? 1 year. So liquidity is good. But on yesterday night the one liquidity not so good. But then we don't care too much we just trade accordingly because you can afford to lose. Questions? So income trades are designed for what? Far out of the money. In such a way for you to lose money based on my current entry level rules for you to lose money the market must move against you by 1 standard deviation or more. Okay, 1 standard deviation is for this for 3.3 only. Okay? Which is 16% probably out of the money. But selling how far? You know what numbers are? Okay, next. Okay? So now income trading is quite faster way. So we can do now. Let me show you the 5 ways of trading S&P 500 index. You record down step in notes. 1. The first, the easy one is totally passive income. Every third Friday of the month. This one for people who totally retired, who don't want to think too much, just sell every third Friday of the month. So if you want to sell, you just sell a batch, sell batch, just can't do it. Okay, one thing you should know about income trading. Income trading, like all other things using option premium analysis, are 100% based on law of large numbers. I'm not talking about 100 trades. I'm talking about thousands of trades. Okay. So now, the most popular one is third Friday. So, like example, I got students in the past so busy in family commitment and thing only do 1 hour every Friday night. He sell AM. He sell AM. So if you do this sell AM, so AM 1 hour after market open the thing all settled, close everything settled down already. Your capital is released to you again. So by 2 hours after market open you can use the same capital that expired 1 hour ago to open new trades.
Then, for example, today is a holiday, it's a half day. So when is the second?
2 p.m. market close.
That was.
But if you can buy back for 50 cents go ahead buy back for 50 cents.
But now it's only 83 cents only
Yeah, okay, make it 6 cents. How much you sell? 130 or 40?
I sell 130.
So make 50 cents and run overnight That contract $500 Okay, okay. So you want to hold it then also depends on your decision. So this is what I call thinking trader. But if you trade system rule based dumb trading, then you hold it to the end
I will close
Yeah, you're almost there already. Okay, so you're thinking trade level.
2 p.m. or 3 p.m.
Sorry, 2 p.m. New York time. 3 p.m. Singapore time.
Okay, 3 a.m. or 3 a.m.
3 a.m.
For half days.
You want to do intraday I think you saw before, correct? You saw before, correct? I do that intraday income trade. Amazon, correct?
SPS also can do intraday.
I did live, okay, the one, okay. Because you the thing wrong we do demo but please follow up like what Angie said must follow up. Not saying you do demo so I've forgotten I don't know why.
I follow especially I do calendar, diagonal. I want to know the result. Yes.
And the result doesn't mean it's 100% accurate one but at least like driving car the driving car is not considered the same. Okay. And let's now first one is the first level 1 level 1 A1 is monthly option expiry. For those people who want to do once a month only. The Friday of the month, 2 hours after the market open, spend half an hour. Okay. Next, the next one more aggressive one instead of doing monthlies, you can do on weeklies. Weeklies month, every Friday night you do. So that's why I mentioned this.
You only do Friday night.
Wait, one by one first.
I do anytime I see the market first.
No, man. You are thinking trade level. You follow me for 1.5 years already, okay? Still cannot swim, man. And the best part, she's not new student, okay? She's a wounded from other schools, okay?
Then I don't know what is iron condo, okay? Doing iron condo, don't know what is iron condo. That's a good thing.
Okay, weekly Friday because weekly's expiry. Later on, if you're more skillful, you can do Monday, Wednesday, Friday, okay? But that one is considered aggressive already. If you go, let's say tonight now, open a trade for next Monday expiry, that is considered what? Intra-week leh.
That's I'm thinking now, lor.
That is why we call aggressive trading leh. Nothing wrong aggressive trading, but you know what executive means, fast in, fast out, can high chop losing money. And if you're a person who cannot stand stress, then don't do that. The ability to lose. And let me show you how bad it's how powerful it is. If you reach the stage of me, I end up losing $41,000 trade a single day trade because I never put stop loss. It's not a first time, correct? It's not cried before, correct?
Oh, so Donald Trump, one word for me.
Okay. Okay, we can go for dinner. One of my dear sponsor dinner to place. Then come back, I lost $18,000 again.
From profit we also entered.
After dinner, come back, minus.
Yeah, from profit minus. Just
he was there.
Twisted. My one also minus.
But he's okay lah. She don't trade very much correct. Just me lah. There's nothing wrong with it as long as you know the parameter of risk. The biggest killer is not the market. It's yourself. Okay, so that's why I said best to trade Friday night, so don't need too much. Then the intra-week trades, you can trade all your shares and this and other things. Okay, okay, fine. Okay. That's the reason why I never teach you how to sell income trading at the money or in the money. Okay, that's the reason for it. Because I don't want you to confuse your income trading with your directional trading. If I teach you everything, one night teach you 6 different strategies, and I tell you, last time people said, "Sifu, thank you very much," but Chinese say I very blur already. Totally knock out.
So intra-week shares you're referring to direct?
Can. But anyway, you do 14 days. Like here, like that, somebody here hold a trade for membership. Who's the guy that somebody enter and make 12% return? That's the guy here, man. This guy calendar enter for me days, enter for 12 days, make about 130%. Okay, I have no 130, not too bad. This one here. What is it? This is my trade. Just I show you the one I closed for 60 cents, correct? This one no. If I hold until the end, I will lose 20 cents. Because why? The market, my long leg one, my short leg was in the middle by $2. $2.10. Not here, I think. Which group is this? I got so many groups. Directional.
So it's my trade.
Yeah, trade. Yeah. You want a group supposed to trade for 600% return, right? Who's there?
6.
Exactly. Buy a few dollars here and there.
I never see before.
Somewhere around. I got too many groups already. Actually, to be fair, my one group is only 10 people or 5 people only. Okay, understand? So one, intra-week, intra-month, intra-week.
But intra-week can also be as against some trading.
I repeat, when I say intra-week trading, I'm not referring to you do a 7-day trade. I'm talking about your weekly expiry options in 7-day cycle or 14-day cycle. I repeat again, the number now, we'll do the first trade. You want to do a trade on the 18th. The next trade is on 22nd. The next trade will be what? Will be the first week of Feb. The next trade will be the third week of Feb. So what I call four different expiry. Instead of doing all 1 month, you spread every 2 weeks, 2 weeks. Pay the budget His budget you can do every week After all, you can do two contract, do the next 7 expiry also can.
Okay, I want to ask, right? Because you advised me that in this at any point in time, right, you should always have bearish trade.
Of course.
So can I see some of the bearish trades that you have for now?
For what?
Or as in for anything
I
like
don't care.
oh,
First of all, you ask me to show me the traffic, I'll fuck you.
oh
If I tell you I just lost $41,000 after the tie, I just showed you $40,000. It's good enough. I tell you how much money I make, totally irrelevant. I make how I make $500,000 in 2-3 days. That's my problem, not your problem.
oh
Chinese, I can go crazy, you know.
yeah.
I wasn't joking. Last time you see, last year we went for dinner. I just showed my trade how much I make. I tell how much making, and we literally calculate because I entered a trade. There was an intramonth cycle. I was literally giving running comments. This year, all shorter. No thanks to a friend. So whatever I do is total irrelevancy. Like I said earlier, my job now is to teach you to what? To be your thinking trader yourself. So your methodology is relevancy up. You got better trade out. They always got better trade one. Is it a good time to do better trade now? No, unless you do scalping. Why? I told you earlier at the beginning of the month, 24th and 31st, 30th of the month is a bad time to do normal directional trading. But people still enter Baidu and make money from it.
Yeah.
Baidu, they did make money from it. Because that one is not technical based. That one not technical based. That one is based on Xi Jinping going after him.
So when you mean bearish trades, right? I think at this moment you're referring to very short term trade. Like,
No, your cow size how big? Like him like that. Your trade is actually divided. Your trade by X number of dollars. I told you separate your trade intra week, intra fortnight, intra month, intra quarterly, correct? And then you would after I told you your cow size big enough, but you could put some positioners, correct? More positioners intra quarterlies. So you have a basket of different time frames. You cannot put into short term. Short term is tactical, but you cannot put all your 50% of your position into tactical trading, correct? For this Friday night, Alibaba going on, that is suicidal. Most of the time, you make money, but something bad happen, die already also don't know why. Okay? By the way, she is one of my tutorial students from last year, June class. Still come back. This one is one of my latest one. Come back. I just joined me about 3-4 months back again.
For positional trades, from the account size, must it be like 50% or 30%? Or we just based on the division into the different weeks that you show us?
Depend on your profile. Okay, first and foremost, if you trade dumb, then everything must be roughly equal lah. Okay, longer time frame, more money because to do a long 90-day trade definitely need more capital to do a next Friday night trade lah. Okay, because price different now. Secondly, the biggest area of concern is longer term and short term. Your intra-week trade capital exposure must be short. Unless you like Keith like that Keith is a specialist hunter sniper. You need specialized in intra-week trading. So you need to have a mixture of it. Let me go and find something. Okay, let's go back to the subject here now. Okay, that's how we got level 1, level 2, and level 3.
Friday, weekly Fridays.
Then that is called to the end. That's what active one. Active one, you whether weeklies or monthlies or quarterlies, you open a trade inside, you put take profit order in. So basically, every time let's say you go sell a trade for 45 days, you put take profit in then you market good sneeze one time and suddenly you take profit 5 days later, 10 days later. Let me show my record for this type of trade. I will do 28 days expiry trade that take profit in 2 hours. That was abnormal. That I have to explain to the whole Thai students to really repeat 101 times that is abnormal market. It's not normal market to take intraday profits on iron condor selling SPX. That's how ferocious is that. So that
actually in SPX
happens before, but just rare. So your job is now that. So let's say you go and sell your iron condor, you collect you sell 25 days, you sell 19th of February, you collect $2, then you buy automatically in the next trading day. You for your case you put the same night because you're petty day qualified. Then you put the trade inside, buy to close 90 cents. 3 days later on the 4th, thing market collapse suddenly. I go above abnormal volatility. You are able to buy back your $2 credit spread trade for 90 cents. Then what you do? Check the market. If the market is considered normal, continue selling. Continue selling. Okay? You know, active one. So once you take profit, must sell. So just how the previous two is not passive. Either one only on third Friday of the month, the other one is every Friday of the month.
So actually, if you have the passive trade open, the active trade open, you shouldn't open the same.
You should not be opening the same thing. Because, okay, technically, factually can. But for your level, no. Why? Confused.
So I can do all both lah together.
For you, okay, go ahead.
You can not contract active.
It's best to do what, if possible, you want to do that way, try to separate it. One passive style. Passive style, maybe we do on Russell 2000. The active style, maybe you do on XPX.
Or you
You don't mix yourself out. The problem is mix all yourself out. Passive for Russell 2000 because Russell 2000 is not as volatile. Option premium volatility not as good as SPX.
Or you can keep it as passive first, then along the way you change it.
No, please, you don't. The problem you change halfway your rule engagement is something you're trying to repair the trade halfway through a trade. Is that?
Okay.
My job is to make sure you survive your learning curve, not to make money. Your job if I want you to be able to say after losing 10, 20 trades in a row, you continue part 2, part 3.
Zero DTE.
Zero T is day trading really, you know what I'm talking about. You want me to do direct?
Yeah, that's why.
Try out.
Hello, on the 18th December now, I discovered I teach people how to do top weekly trade.
Yeah.
Which I'm not supposed to do.
Yeah.
Open on the 3rd of December, short term December, the long hedging leg calendar on 12th of January. I show it, I do not know. 30th of December, over already. They take profit already lah, here.
They won't consider sub-weekly
because 30th, what day is that? 30th is Wednesday night.
Oh, they want 30th, not
31st. 31st is quarterly. Now we focus on income trading. Because end of the day, trading is multi-dimensional. And my program now is getting longer and longer. Okay. He used to be my directional practical class. Then he upgraded, he gave me 5 figures upgrade into tutorial program. Then tutorial program from 6 months now become 10 months. I think make it 1 year again.
1 year lah. You see? Walao, today I mean extra 3 months. I tell you should enjoy one. It's very short one.
You see so your job is this. I'm not in this whatever I teach you now it's only valid for now. If the market I see here or see there I reserve the right to change. At the real function level is thinking trader level. If most people are trading dumb, that's how a lot of people trade dumb means that I just follow the rule blindly.
I will see the market first, then
that is different. See market is what? I see the market, you assess feasibility, possibility in relation to your skills, your knowledge, your expertise. Then you decide, okay, I want to do the trade. Then next day after that, okay, then you decide, stop. Should I trade shares? Should I trade futures, options, CFDs? Last time you trade futures, okay?
Yeah, but not trade CFD.
Now because futures the margin too high, so got problem. So not trade CFDs. Because end of the day, I can trade futures, I can afford it, but my budget is $5,000, $10,000. Cannot even buy. Don't have the margin requirement to get one
You even have the margin enough like.
No, because end of the day she has got certain quota and targets herself. So there's nothing wrong with trading there. You must trade futures, best different. Now, so if now the budget is 13,000, if the margin is $4,000-5,000 now, I think you trade $4,000-5,000 futures now. But now because you forced to trade CFD, because why the E-mini now is 13,000 Gold is 12 Crude oil is 9,000 9,000 is double
The return over your margin.
Yeah.
E-minis is for
yes/yes.
or down off the fan.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Sorry. E-minis is for is it for Dow Jones?
No, S&P.
S&P futures or S&P.
Yes.
Go ahead, them ultra, some for ultra try. Top up around 2-3K only. Okay.
When is the
You should
ultra
give him a special discount.
special discount?
I already discounted already.
Talk to him personally.
Personally,
All my class very small. My last ultra class only how many? 5 people only. Or 4.
but ultra
My whole year, ultra class last year, only one ultra class only about 4 or 5 people only.
Then you already, you will see when you non-farm payroll,
your heart will beat.
enter.
No.
When should you enter? When should you get cancelled?
Okay, my start trading for ultra trading, it's not no speed, it's hands on. Candle by candle, price by price, second by second. Dollar by dollar, I can literally see the results. Hands on learning. If you got problem understanding, you go and find my YouTube, Thomas Sahar, you can find my non-farm payroll trader. Running by candle by candle. But okay, now anyway, if non-farm payroll, I think most of the sessions should be live in person.
Yeah, next week.
That will be Friday, is it?
Next week Friday.
Must. This is a working day.
No,
At night.
Oh, at night, okay.
Non-farm payroll.
No, because sometimes futures is in the afternoon.
We start the easiest one first.
Oh, okay.
European session we can do that also can.
European session when you get holiday,
Yeah.
Singapore holiday you can do it.
I flexi learning lah. On paper is 4 sessions. Maybe I now must don't care first. Let's get it out first. I started with power option first, right?
Directional.
So it come out. So nowadays no more direct tutorial program. Now my tutorial program is by invitation. You know, I must see people. If not, I will be blurred. Cannot. Really cannot. Because why some people can learn fast. Like him, he's struggling now, but not too bad. She spent 1 year plus 2 years, 1.5 years with me already. Now I think you know what I'm talking about. Before as I mentioned something, you know what he see something, you know what, because he spent hundreds and thousands, quite a number of hundred hours with me looking at the SME. That's what I call follow Sifu and fight. Go for learn the thing. So it's never rule-based trading. But nowadays I hate to say this, I must go start rule-based trading. Recently you can see come out all the rules like direction 1 here, direction 2 here, direction 3 there. No choice because if I leave it alone you see the posting and now shoot all the place
Okay, but I mean because we learn the different way, so now somehow you see some system, it's like okay, actually it's like that one. Yeah.
I think better situation system. So now got power option. By power option now divided into directional and income. Then after that, we got practitioner, advanced practitioner class.
Okay.
Then after that, next one, if you're good, then we talk about tutorial level. Hey, in the last 9 months, I only accept 2 tutorial students only. You one of them only. 2 leh. How much? I learn everything. Money about. Wow, the guy talk. He said the way he show his belief system so forthright. I want to achieve every month $10,000 to make $2,000. I don't like people like that because you are setting unrealistic expectations onto yourself. When you can 10,000 make 10,000, 10,000 lose 5,000, it's up to you and the market. So there's no such thing as system rule because I have done my 100,000 of trades already. I know every hand is a winner, every hand is a loser. Like him like that, got credit spread trade in the money and still can get out start up and make money from in the money spread. She learned well. She one of my best students because his mind is open, so there's no such pre-different definition. So that's why I said market come first, you come second, strategy methodology is come last. Well, okay, nowadays at your level at your really coaching level, must choose. Should I trade futures, shares, CFDs, options, warrants? For your case, focus options because option is the one the lowest capital exposure. I got one guy with $2,000 account size. I want to go trade. We'll go follow Colin Sell, trade Colin Sell methods using CFDs. How to survive? I also don't know. The commission in out $10 already. Let's say you go buy 10 shares off. Then you in out $10 in, $10 out, $20. That means you buy a 10 share trade and the share is buy $30. Friend, you have to break even. You must go $2 in your favor. And your company happen to be $20 company or $30 company.
But he has some good reviews. The students say he make money and
Colin Sell is by nature is investor trend trading style. I don't care good reviews. Okay? I don't care good reviews. In fact, I don't want your reviews. In fact, the last time I asked for reviews and testimonials long about 4-5 years ago. The ability to survive survive 10 losing trades one time is what I want. And people, Singapore context, very special on that. Don't take losing kindly. But losing is part and parcel of winning. The idea is not too bad. I think your the STIG trade not bad. You enter in, you get out, you make the 20 cents and run already. Nothing wrong with it.
Because the price section value quite low, so I didn't set to
Yeah.
high target.
No,
Actually,
no,
I didn't expect you will close up. Suddenly, I think 4 a.m. the market.
Yeah, but your account size is pattern day trade, account size spread.
No, not pattern trade. Pattern day is how many K? 20?
More than 35K.
You get 30K.
30K.
Get 30K. You get one lah. Then you do it and then
Top up.
top up because end of the day for you top up okay lah. But if newbies I don't know 5K, 10K, this ain't much. Okay. And to me, not a big deal. I said earlier, I don't know reason why I don't want 30, 40, 50K account size. It's not that if your skill is not there, don't get the big accounts. Having more money do not make you don't make you a bad trader. It's bad trade. Do not make you a good trader. It's make you a bad trader because you got an infinite. And the broker will let you continue trade until you dry already. Then you got problem with the aspect.
Even you got small account, you will be more cautious.
More cautious.
Yes.
And much not cautious. The broker will cut you off. The broker got 100,000, then you lose 188,000 first, then they cut off.
This one my trades are more like kacang putih.
No, nothing wrong, kacang putih. Hey, don't matter. You know we got Sam and Francis down there. They can afford. They can lose 5 figures one time. No, under me, all of them toned down already. All I got $2,000 size on it. She ever got one student then from my rules, ban rules, and now after he can slap by the market because I think partly because he see me do ultra trading on futures so very easy like that. Okay, and I got slap by the market and he doubled down because he believes it's right. In trading, I don't care. I believe. If you want to believe, you want to believe, expect, then prepare to pay the price. Market is always great and fair. Sorry. Now, I think you do a nice trade after you make 25% in 2-3 days. Okay. 35% okay. So slowly do. You can you can do more pattern trade. You see it's straight here.
This one is also quite lucky. The candlestick was boom.
No it's expected You don't enter suka. Enter expect enter one trade here and that's straight push here enter trade.
One is a vertical spread, then the other one is a straight call.
You see, between vertical spread and straight call, which one better is always based on what is your capital for risk. So agency got budget for risk. So his budget is 250, correct? And then you see the straight call how much? The straight call is 136. Okay, now I buy straight call.
Also based on the market.
Market of course.
And also OC price.
You notice I don't base myself so much on technical analysis. My technical analysis very simple. See where the market, where the money flowing. I don't use indicators so much.
See where's the prices.
This one tonight, this one is gonna be good, man. This one I tell you, extreme aggressive. I don't know sure I gonna make money, lose money.
This
tonight.
one?
Yeah.
Close already.
Never close yet lah. This is 31st tonight
now it's 372 something.
372.
I think there's
so it's above 3725.
borderline.
My one is 3710.
Worst case, how much I lose? $3,000. Best case scenario, we hold on to maximum profit $2,000. What's capital rate? $5,000. What is my safety zone? Okay, between 3725 to 3785, $60 apart. So I can calculate it when, how, when. This is what you need to know. Thomas, I don't know why I lose there. How much you lose? I don't know why there. I thought I put a stop loss carry there. This time you tell me that I will kick you. Okay. This type of thing that means I've been preaching for so many months. Preaching you all so many months, you all never learn. Risk count first. If you do not know what parameters, the problem with calendar risk is what? See, in the world of trading now, I must include one new category. NA risk. Correct. This one is fixed risk, right? You know exactly how much you risk. You got exactly how much. I queue to sell 195. I got filled at $2. Exactly don't know. I know how much. The spread is $5 apart, so I know it's $5, $500 up $10, $5,000. I collected how much? I collected $2 credit inside here. Is it? I collected $2 credit inside here, so I lost 3,000. When expire, I on this because no predefined. The calendar trades need higher skills. I do not know how to a skill level yet. You don't show me your equity curve.
Right.
Okay. If you tell me, Thomas, I have. Okay. If you tell me, say we can discuss it detail later on, but equity curve is useless or so that. And as much as possible, we are traders. We don't trade on the equity, the P and L loss, and it. We see the market, trade the market. Every trade going, you must know how much you risk. This is my typical side. Okay, normally, okay lah. This is okay. After you lah, this is edu trade. I do this to educate you all. But normally I sell nickel coin, nickel post.
Triangle.
To be honest, $2,000, no fun because at my age evolution, as you get more skillful, the number of trades get lesser. Correct?
Yeah.
Start out, you also do a lot of trades.
No, you already. No.
As you get trade, it get lesser. But when you get more skillful, your trade position get bigger. Your parameters, return on risk will get higher, or the probability get higher in
And
favor you.
also when sometimes continue, okay, can trade.
Trade.
Yeah, like
So this form of trading is actually I conduct. This is what part of it. So in the world of trading, we got bullish, bearish, and sideways. The word sideways, I think the wrong doing. I hate the words bullish, bearish, and multi-directional. I think better word for it. This trade stay between
2.5 to 3.75.
and actually for me to lose money, it must go above 3787 or 3723. I'm wrong by $1, I still can make money because why I collect 2 lots of right? This is one unique feature. Shares and futures cannot. Shares you lose $1 means lose $1 already. Futures lose $1 on crude oil, that's $1,000 per contract. Questions?
No, can do.
Can
sell already.
Can
Can sell.
I suggest you wait maybe next Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Yeah.
By the way, this method also can use for almost options on futures also. But now we focus on options and index first. Because that one is highly unlikely, unlike Alibaba like that, drop 10% a single day because one emperor decree come out only like that. If suddenly Jack Ma come out the Chinese state TV come out Jack Ma with Xi Jinping talking like here best friend forever
immediate go and buy
whoever shot Alibaba die $50 up is not a problem, okay? You will definitely lost $5,000, okay, lose $50 up on spot.
No, don't touch. Wait.
Or you can touch fixed risk. The problem with calendars and diagonals, they are very useful instruments. The problem is NA, so I must come out and you can trade. Open risk, fixed risk, and NA risk. But I know the NA risk long time already, but I don't teach because why most of the time it's only 2 strategies and NA. Multi-dimensional trading, calendars, and diagonals. Ratio also another one.
Ratio is
Okay, I said multi-dimensional means multiple.
Just buy 1 sell 2 ratio.
And okay, when I say multi-dimensional trading, I also refer to time because you have one short leg and one different legs.
Yeah, different time frame.
Hey, I got students using calendars and diagonals make 5-10,000% return. Oh, not less than that. Am I right? Can be done more than that. Okay, but the problem is that for this side to work this direction, long-term direction, it looks best in a night trading market, which currently now we don't have.
But at least I cover my cost already low.
She got one diagonal. She got one diagonal now. Okay. Sell so many times already. Now it's actually 0 cost.
Yeah, profit.
Nice.
On VIX.
Yeah.
We were playing the Superman move, right?
Yeah, but okay, well, I
never come. The Superman never come.
Never come, but I still profit already.
Yeah. So I am wrong. I can still break even plus, which is good. Good for you.
Still profit.
Okay. So I think this trade result should be interesting because tonight interesting.
If you don't
Maybe I should put a take profit order in. Yesterday lucky I took a take profit at 60 cents. If I hold until the end, I was in the money. My short was in the money by what's the price isn't it?
374 something. But
3727.
27, correct?
Yeah.
My short leg was what? 3725. 25 or
2725.
25. Just
25.
nice out of the money by $2. I should hold on to the end, but don't mind. Hey, make $150, make 1,500 for $3,000 risk
Very good rate.
Overnight, eh?
overnight. Last time I do live trading, I went demo with them. Ever do find show exactly how to do income eyeing condos, income spreads, on the intra-hour 3 hours on Amazon. They will call live market share. That means he asked them, do you want to go and learn, go and do? Then he go, some of them go and do demo account, some of them go do live account. This is called trade to learn sessions. Allow me, if you follow me, it's not about strategies. It's not about learning. It's about how many sessions you follow me out. Anyway, now good news. I'll be formalizing my trading already. So next few months, you got chance to see me. I heard my voice 4 to 8 times a month as a tutorial student.
Oh, okay. Not the power option.
Everything covered.
Not everything.
At least two tutorial sessions around there plus minus okay. Then the rest are the directional advanced directional advanced income, another couple of sessions. Let me see what I have inside now. He blindly pay me $10,000 as top up fees, okay? Upgrade fees, not top up fees.
Not blind. Close one eye already.
No, but then you really follow me how many 20 sessions, about 10 sessions. Then before you upgrade yourself, you follow me what 15 sessions to me?
3-4 months.
About 15 sessions to me over live average yourself.
Should have.
The difference between a tutorial session and a practitioner session. A practitioner session is focusing on specific strategies application in the market. Tutorial session is different. It's not focused on strategies. Tutorial session is focusing on what? No. No. Market first. Strategy last. Practitioner level, strategy first. I learn all the strategies, kiri, kanan, then focus. You understand the different level because end of the day, if I teach you become thinking trader, most of them were stuck. Like saying thinking, you said, should I CD, should I do that? Then you start thinking, then get too creative. Let's see, where we stop last? I get my bread back. There's one more guy coming over. You want to upgrade into ultra trading? Yeah, he came from directional class here. From your directional class. Wait, okay. Okay, let me see here. For next month, you need how many sessions? Easily you got, let's see, 2, 3, 4. Wow, a lot. This one don't say this one me and Mary come up. So easy 2 sessions here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You got 7 sessions here available. If I launch earning class, if they have earning class, maybe 6 sessions.
Then you have ultra, then you overlap with some of.
Look carefully. This one is per week cycle.
Per week. What? This is Friday.
All the 4th is Monday, 11th is Monday.
Oh, Monday. Okay.
Then afterwards, we got public sessions, we got graduate night. I think you easily can have a dozen session or more. Most probably you attend my class until 2. You attended my public session before, correct?
Yeah.
And then you can see some of them. This is NG here. This is now here. Because why? Every time public session, they ask questions. Then I will show them something. They understand what I'm talking about. Then that's good something. You should need to learn. Sad to say, it's not. Unlike most other people, trading is not about knowledge. It's about skills and competencies. No more. I think your batch was the last direct intake for tutorial sessions. No more already. Now I have to divide it. No, seriously. Now, for example, you must attend one of my class. You prove yourself that you can worthly for me. It's worth my time effort to show. I don't want warm blood. Some of them are very conscientious. Try the very best every month, every 1 month, or 1 month, 2 months. So for I did 45 trades last month. The last 3 months. How I blah blah blah. Which is very time consuming. Which is I don't want to do anymore. Because no offense, but some people are never meant to be. You at least ask the right question, give the right way. Most important, have right expectations. You respect the market. Most people don't. This is why people can do this, I can do better. This is not respecting the market. Ferrari, all Ferrari can go 300 kilometers per hour. How many people can drive 300 kilometers? Even you can drive 300 kilometers, can you drive 300 kilometers per hour every day, anytime you come? No. Questions about trading?
5 ways of buying condo. Third Friday, weekly Fridays.
Active trading. Active.
Weekly, monthly, there's a
the fourth one. Active is the weekly, monthly, or
Active.
quarterly.
Active. It can be anywhere lah.
can be anywhere.
Anywhere, because you let's say open a trade on 18th of Feb, 18th of Jan.
Yeah.
Then on the 10th of Jan take profit how? Can ah? Can ah?
So this is the 5 already. Or actually there's 2 more.
They are also DTE, they also intraday.
5 ways.
The 5 ways do not include intraday. Intraweek.
Zero also not included,
We
right?
do
There
not.
was
We
6
do
and
not
7,
include intraweek. We do not include. We do not include intraweek. We do not include intraday trading.
Yeah.
We also do not include okay, no matter we have lah. Okay, we do not include shares. I think shares different set of parameters
So it will be
Okay, now,
ultra.
There is what currently you got what passive income right? Mondays,
Third
weeklies.
Friday, weeklies.
Then now we got one active one.
Active. Yeah.
Then okay, there's another one we call the one what we call perpetual iron condo. Okay, that means that you close the call, you open as iron condo, you close
Separately lah.
close separately and open separately.
Oh,
Then I have not even count okay. Another one for those people who really can afford it sell nickel call nickel puts. This for indexes only. Indexes one thing good. I like indexes because it's very safe to call lah. But capital intensive. But credit can lah.
the naked call naked put is stronger.
Oh no.
Or is separate,
not.
separately open.
Is can be separately open, can be one. You can use income trade. You can use trade income as a direction form. But we're not talking about pet. It's the same. But we say as stronger. And if you really want more advanced level 6 XX if you sell nickel call nickel puts take profit actively. Sell call sell puts. Market move X number of dollars, take profit at the one, just keep actively doing it. It's just open risk variation of the
version 5.
version 4, I think.
Version 5 is version 5 is
Close
naked call
iron
naked put
condo.
passive, right?
Version 4.
Close iron condo separately.
Separately.
That is version 4.
Half,
Yeah.
right? The put and the call separately.
Yeah.
depends
Because
on
every
market.
time you close you can always reopen a new set.
Yeah.
That one is active because the one really follow the market.
Then the fifth one is the naked call naked.
Yes.
Or stronger.
But that is leave the expiry.
You can leave the expiry, you can close it, no difference. There's another one, active one. That means you open as a strangler, then you micromanage it all the way. Like a version 4, but an open risk.
But the difference between the fifth one and the sixth one.
A lot of difference. That one, 6 one, how can we got Ulen, Bolen, Yen. Okay? This method, I got old students, 6 figures per month. Credit, profit. But this one, I don't teach anymore because why? Fixed risk cannot handle properly. And the margin requirement is heavy. As you correct, nickel put data show about 3 months ago, $38,000, you need about 140, 120, 130k margin.
As in the buying power effect.
Yeah, that's margin and not risk.
But
Okay
how
lah. I'm waiting for my 100k share come back.
come back
Then I will put in
to do this?
to do this.
This one is very passive income manager. So really you can do iron condors, the safest one. Okay, do the more okay, in work trading your fixed risk, open risk. Do the fixed risk first. If you cannot handle a $500, $1,000 fixed risk rate properly, handling $100,000 open risk is not gonna be any fun.
But almost the six, how active is the six
Take
relative to
profit
the fifth one?
separately.
The fifth one is also naked.
Fifth one is actually full until the end or 50%.
Expiry.
The other one is a form of you want to call it you can do.
Close together.
The person who makes 6 figures per month, you can treat it like a day trading like that.
So it's like really day trading.
Yeah.
The
You
big
like
one
trading,
is
you like trading day trading like that.
the big one is either lead to expiry or close.
You can do it actively, semi-actively, active or passive. Hold to expiry is passive. If you put 50% take profit order in, that is active.
So that will be version 6.
Version 6 is more. Buy and sell.
Day
Day
trading.
trading means if you think, okay, I sell for 35k, 15k. Okay, if I make 5,000, if the thing drop 10,000, if the thing from $15,000 call side drop to 8k, I will take profit and sell further down. You literally follow the market. Wow, really, this one Chinese said really, but I used to do it, but nowadays I cut down already. No. Unless super bored.
Do until bored. Not super bored.
This one I think very simple. Don't literally follow it. Actually, this version number 6 is a version of number 3 one, the active one. You see take profit and open the trades. That one is one really up because that one the version 3 one is actually is iron condor. Is a what bear call spread and bear bull put spread and bear call spread. Okay, but that one is nickel put. Just imagine for out in the money drop out of the money by 30 40. One day price action value is about 40. How much now? 40 points today, 20 points. 40 can make it 40, but then coming 41. That is $4,000 profit.
If 5-figure margin can do, or was it 6-figure?
6-figure.
Yeah, 5-figure not.
You ask the market. I showed to you last time, 120 or 40k. But correct, the correct is $31,000.
Well, I'm quite relaxed when I do iron control for SPF.
No, just start
Just
the
open.
focus on the iron condor first.
But
Oh, by the way, this is just only some only. They got other variations which I don't mention, but
but the perpetual iron condor, we haven't covered in some stuff.
none of you cannot handle iron condor. You cannot even take for active iron condor on the regular basis. Am I pushing my luck to you? Last time I teach you, correct? Last time 1 week everyone during the before the subprime before the private 1 month see me 10 times easily 8 to 10 times easily.
So do your SPF.
So come, please ask question. Ask question now. Okay, by the way, these are my students. Okay, so they come here. Okay, and these are not new students. This one about how long we meet for 6
April.
Coming to 8 months already. See, ask questions. I think wrong because see what I teach you now at one level and his level and her level is quite far apart because why your experiences, your foundation, your knowledge build the foundation. Then I can teach you different things.
Yeah, so my question is, because you told me to diversify my portfolio, right? To have bearish, bullish, and sideways, right? So I don't know how to I don't really like to have bearish trades at this moment for now.
Sorry, this is your belief.
Yeah.
If you're a competent trader, don't need this question. Don't need ask me. Just do what you do.
Okay.
You ask me from a third party point of view to give my advice. Best to have at least minimum 25% of your positions into one pair.
Okay. Then is there another way that I can modify my portfolio like different time frames?
No use. It don't solve the problem.
Right.
Whether you're bullish in 30-day cycle or bullish in 6-month cycle, you still have a market drawdown problem. Just imagine you can put all your trades in the bull and suddenly Donald Trump anything bad happen to him or Putin do something funny. Then no happen to you now.
Yeah.
6 figures all bear die all bull die.
Right.
So at least look at you know why we're basket of bullish bear trades because first we cannot be defined 100% right. Secondly, even though if for emotional stability case even 50% cannot slap my right center but you got 25% winning trades emotionally how you feel?
Yeah.
A lot of difference, correct?
Right.
Not too bad. My first 300% winning trades. But bulls but don't mind stupid Donald Trump and Putin and Xi Jinping all act monkeys each other whatever. So something we can't predict. So end of the day, I want to make sure you got some emotional stability. You do not be like one of my student like that. Who, despite my best advice, but one thing good, he follow my trade manager rule. in 2 Fridays lose 28 trades.
Got bear what?
There's always bearish trade. No. His problem now is not the market problem.
Oh.
It's belief system problem.
Oh.
You see,
Then
his belief
got
say bear is useless. And bull all the way.
Oh, you
There's no
talking
problem.
about
Put all the
bear
money in.
hor, It's faster make money than bull.
You understand me lah?
Yeah.
Your problem is not so much of opportunities in the market. It's now it's mindset. That's why you understand why my class get longer and longer and longer. So I can net you. Like Francis can say, Thomas, you should start schooling honor. Honor ask a question why Delta 25. And we cannot buy him. Because Delta 25 is not our reference point. Reference point is not our so-called key buy and sell decision. Our D25 is just a reference point for you to look for opportunities.
By the way, the AC is Augustine.
Oh yeah, got power.
Then what need you put?
Sorry, I'm confused. You see, you literally belief systems is. I think nothing wrong with it. But at the end of the day, I tell you, what I was saying, you shape me that market is great, market is fair. After all, it's your life, your money, your responsibility. So I'm just telling you, it's not a good idea. Unless you're skillful level, highly competent, who can afford to have all the trades die one time, then okay, go ahead.
But
Because okay, you must tell me because I went if you say can, then you cannot slap one time only you can see the pattern change already.
Maybe it's more like currently the SPX all these are bullish.
Yeah,
So,
but
still got bearish.
there is always got bearish trade.
Bearish one. They definitely got bearish.
Your job is I not asking you to do counter trend trading.
okay,
Wow, super bull then you must counter trend trading. That's a different set of skill set.
Right, correct. Cause I've been doing what you said previously. Cause previously I was doing all the 3 direction trades, but then most of the time the bearish trades are losing. So now I feel that as in I allocate lesser into my bullish trades. I still keep a percentage of my portfolio, but just keep it as cash. So if the market
No, but
is,
the problem existing, yes, you can do that.
correct.
But do you think you ask yourself emotionally, financially you can withstand the hit? Emotionally, can withstand a hit of 20 losing trades at one time?
Right, understand. Might not be able. Correct, you're right.
Okay?
Yeah.
You might not be able to say, okay, so you can afford emotionally, financially can do it. Financially, most people can afford it.
Yeah.
Emotionally, and you think how many people can like keep like that? Lost, say 2 Fridays, 8 days back to back, those 28 trades one time. His farming trade all got massacred. The market elephant run over him. I warned him already. You need to do some bullish and bearish trade in there. So if financially you can afford it, you can afford to do it. The picture is not, to me, it's not financially now. It's an emotional stability.
Understand.
Don't mention, I told you before, okay. How's your trade? Good lah. Okay lah. Hand ear move, eye twitch, okay. I've been teaching people coming to 20 years already. I can see they say, a small face. Keep looking, say, what the hell? What is this tweeting? You notice I very sensitive such things, right? Especially more so in the past. Hey, stop! Something is not right. Now I get old already. Not as sharp as before. Yes, I mean, so nothing wrong. You're right to do it if you want to do that way. But end of the day, the problem you might want to consider is that if you suddenly have a batch of 100% losing trades, emotionally, how you feel?
Right. I'll feel cannot handle. You're right.
So if you cannot handle it, that means you no choice. You're buying insurance.
Correct.
So if you want to do bearish trade, I think we can find about 4 5 for bullish trade. Bearish trade for him now. FedEx is one of them. Baba is one of them. Unless suddenly come out on the China State News TV Jack Ma and Xi Jinping drink Chinese tea together. Then don't say that one.
FedEx definitely.
How about Moderna?
Moderna also out of shape already.
Yeah.
So many.
Okay. Then my
This-
next,
Continue.
so my next question is, you do long-term trading also, right? Like those very long calls, and most of your trades are very short-term. So how would you classify your portfolio position sizes into long-term and short-term? Like the percentage amount.
Oh, that is decided by you.
Oh, that's December. Alright.
But most of the time, I tell people, for beginners, more must short term. Why should I hold a trade for 45 days? We can do it 14 days. Your job is to maximize your learning exposure. You still can do long term, right? Then someone, and then Eric was asking me about Baba, $22,000. Then we will explain to him, things calculate for him. Based on the $22,100 stop loss risk level calculated, we were able to, we was able to do some trades up to next year, about 300 days away. Our people doing that. That is part and parcel of what you call LEAPS investment substitution.
I got 2022 trade.
Positional trades, do you consider leaps under position trades?
Time frame.
Time frame.
Positional is more than 100 days. So
Doing further. Intra hour. No pump very good. We keep it free. That intraday, intra week, intra fortnight, intra month, intra quarterly, intra year. Intra year is up to I consider positionals. If you more than 1 year, leaps.
Then my one is under what? 1.5 year.
Leaps or
Leaps.
I see. So okay.
so by the way, you can draw until you can draw the check, you can draw your deployment schedule up. Okay. Yeah,
so, yeah. So at this juncture for this current market, how would you? Okay, it's up to me, right, to classify how much I want to invest.
First and foremost, my rule engagement simple. Unless you're a 50 multi-millionaire who used to spend $200,000-$300,000 over the weekend, the trip flight to Bali, by personal jet. One of my traders friend suddenly come up picture, wow, it's all personal jet, don't know which part to go, which part to work from Thailand. Okay. Other than that, you must ask yourself, what is your moneyness level?
Right.
You notice why you notice I don't want to teach. It's not as simple teach strategies. What is your moneyness? His money level is about 1-2K only. I think yours is sub 1K, if possible.
I say 5K, you say too much.
Okay, for learning purpose too much. But if you want to settle, what's the limit? I think a few K only for her. Sub 1K for you.
One trade, 500K.
500K?
Per trade.
500K.
No, $500.
Don't say 500K was okay. Suddenly 500K, then I must go for elite private to private coaching mentoring class.
1K is okay lah.
1K for
depends
Sorry lah.
So you got budget, so you must ask yourself, what is your capital exposure? How much of your budget? So are you a person who you use it 5K, nothing wrong. Your account size is $300,000. Then we can discuss the numbers. We can discuss privately. Okay, don't need to show off to tell people how much.
No,
I got people talk to me until double M, triple M level. One of them, you know him. I have to go and have to warn him after now. I got people who go and do leverage investing. Put in a few mil. I think 6 times leverage. The bank having 6 times leverage for long term investing.
Yeah, 6 times.
Just imagine you put 5 mil, 6 times is 30 mil. Lucky I warned him. Anyway, he's doing okay lah. Because after he deleverage all the leverage investing, take all the profit and replace using LEAPS options. You know which guy I'm talking about?
I know.
Okay?
Yeah.
LEAPS options.
Right.
So instead of holding shares, hold options, which is as a substitute for the shares.
So my next question is, if you hold LEAP options, right, and should they be in a different account or should they all be in the same account?
Can be the same account.
Oh, okay.
In fact, depends. We're talking about LEAPS options. We're not talking about long-term grandchildren retirement fund.
Yeah.
We're talking about investing, trading actively in account. If you want to invest it for your grandchildren retirement education fund, please kindly separate the different account. Thank you very much. Okay?
Right.
A separate account. But for LEAPS, for option LEAPS, just same account can. In fact, it'll be easier to do that way. Because you got LEAPS, you can always like what she do.
Maximum how many days?
Is we got no minimum 1 year to me.
Yeah.
Minimum 1 year.
But actually I think we got some of them got up to June 2023 already.
Okay, look at it.
Some of them got 2000. Some of them are most of them January 2022 definitely all have already. June or July or quite a few also have 2023 have already. Some of them maybe up 2023, 2022 have a lot already. 23 is coming into play now.
So grandchildren is more than 5 years, 10 years.
Multi-year cycle.
Which we can't do using options. We have to buy the
Can if you do Warren Buffett way.
Warren.
Warren Buffett used to be the biggest issuer of options in the world. You might forget it. For retirement fund, talk be separate, okay? I will talk about it. By the way,
I'm also interested in the retirement fund, that portion.
Oh, that one we can do. Without interest, I will do a specialty long-term investing using ETF.
ETF.
One thing good about US market, I love option. If those big account, because you got options there. You can buy a leap at the same time. Bullish. I got traded last year. Wow, long-term bullish, short-term bearish there. We was doing literally short-term trading there. But long-term, he got, that. So he's like, so you see, when you do shares, you cannot do multi-dimensional trade. You need either or there. Either you bullish or bearish. If you say, Thomas, I use different account lor. I short 1,000 shares with OCC Bank lor. I long 1,000 shares with HSBC lor. You got win lose gonna be zero. Options different ball game. Option is multi-dimensional trading. Shares is what you call perpetual one-directional trading, either long or short.
So, Thomas, if I'm interested to do investment substitution for Alibaba using leads,
I already told you that night already. You said too expensive for it. Remember?
Yeah.
but that one is a
If
sell
I am
sell put, right? It's not
some put lor.
Because you want to buy the shares.
Yeah, you want to buy a share.
Hey, he collect $1,000 there, $1,200 for
But
the.
if you buy leads, does it make any sense compared to
Talk to me.
selling a put?
Give me the budget we talk about. You must give the budget.
Okay, budget. would
Your
be-
budget is 5K or $200,000. Hey,
Okay,
different
okay, budget is maximum 3K.
Can do lah.
Baba cannot let tips. What's the minimum?
3K cannot even. You need to get how many shares only? 10 shares or 15 shares.
Yeah.
But it's
But
about.
if you're buying dips, the option itself, you're not
The option
selling.
itself, the longer the lips, the price the
More
more
expensive,
expensive.
Of
The
course.
premium is
First
high.
and foremost, ask yourself what's the price action value.
Yes.
Quite high for Alibaba.
Yeah.
These few days.
Give me a number. Secondly, if the price action value for, let's say now for learning purpose, remember you're doing leaps, price action value for weeklies or monthly options is $35. At least 3,500 already. Yeah, come, let's go to me. Anyway, let's focus on the income trading. So now in the world of trading, we got bullish, bearish, multi-directional trading. Multi-directional, we got income, we got active. Income means that we just strictly make money, so called that. Another one is called, we got trades that got bullish, boo boo bebe yo-yo trade. Means that I got trade strategies. The identity is to trade the market, the underlying volatility, bullish, bearish concurrently.
But that's not income. That is.
Can be okay lah. For your level, it's not income. At the higher level, it can be income.
Can be income, yes.
Oh, I mean the eat the money one. That one can be yo-yo.
Let's say now for something you just no, not telling me man. Now. Then we go through your breakout trades. Then we got multi-dimensional trading, bearish, short-term, long-term. Because we trading, we can do a lot of things inside the market. Because options, unlike shares, share only got one underlying there. Options, you got 1,001 underlying there. And at least 15 different expiry at least. Okay lah, make it 10 to 15 expiry at least. If you got sub-weeklies, even more than that. You got sub-weeklies, SPX are there. 1 month got how much? At least easily got what 12, 13 expiry at least. If not a normal share equity, I think I could live in that about 15. For liquid one, if a liquid one maybe 8. If totally liquid one, maybe got 4 or 5 only, like those mondays. What's the price action value?
200-day period is.
No, APR.
200 day period. Wait, we're talking about moving average.
For dips. What is this? This one is the price change for 200 days is $53. Oh.
APR is.
Okay, 200 days, okay. So.
12.82.
Huh?
APR is 12.82.
For how many days?
1 day.
For 1 day.
This day 1 day. Don't calculate for me a month. Change a week. See got ATR.
See whether.
Hey, $12 a day. $12 a day. You go and buy what 3?
APR 8.
Huh?
APR 8.
Weeklies.
Weekly, you don't buy. You don't change to buy.
Weeklies.
Weekly
Weeklies tender.
This weekly lock. That's how they want 12.8.
$12 a day. $12 per week price action value. And you want to buy a 2-3 years options?
Okay.
I don't know. What do you think?
Sorry, balik again.
The weekly price action value,
Yeah.
12 $13 a day. 12 $13 a week,
$13
$13
ah.
a day,
a week. So you're buying how long?
1 to 2 years.
So you think
$50 now currently.
you think weekly price action value is $12 a day, $12 a day.
1
Child-
year will be
Easily that's $12 is $1,200 eh. What's the budget? $3,000. And you want to buy how long? How many years?
1 to 1 and 1 to 2 years.
Definitely it's about easily three to four, about $4,000-$5,000. $30-$40.
Just to buy the straight call.
$49.
For which month? For which expiry?
For yeah.
$49 at the money call.
That was June 2022.
June 2022. 49. You can't afford it. So you understand me now. This is something, a lot of things you must ask yourself. It's always based on skills and knowledge, and most importantly, your 3K is not enough. Thomas, I prepared to buy share value. $22,000 easier to do things. If you tell me, you say, Thomas, I want to do share substitution with 10% of share value.
Wow, that apple so cheap. $22.
You know say lah. You say me lah. So if you want to do a list substitution, we easily looking about 40-50%. You say me lah. 30-40-50%. We're talking about multi-year slips. We're not talking about June, July lah. June, July different game.
But why do you say sell put would be easier than buying the call for the lead?
Okay, listen carefully. Take notes. Then you I want you to type for me. For the reason between buying call and buying a call and selling a call is one. First, you're buying a leap. You're buying how many days? You're buying up to June 2022. It's about what 700 days away. 700 days away, I think. 700 days away. So ask yourself, time decay is in your favor. Is it in favor or against you?
Against me.
Against me. So now, because the person asked you when you sell a put, because that guy, Mr. Eric, want to buy the shares. So why should you buy the shares? When you can sell a call just out of the money at 220 strike price, which you want to buy, and collect $1,200, $1,300 credit upfront.
As in sell the put versus sell the call.
No, sell the put versus buying the shares.
Oh, because selling the put there is no time decay working against.
No. Time decay is positive.
Positive. It's not working against the.
And all that you selling the put at your price you want to buy.
Yeah, the price you want to buy. The selling the put.
When you buy a share, you must buy market price.
Yeah.
Right.
So if you want to go for long term, why you go chasing for what? You must well say, I think I want to buy. I want to buy bar at 210. Okay, I go and buy sell February thing. I collect $2,000 credit.
To offset your.
By the time you sell 2-3 times before after you get feel a price just nice you got 5K discount. That means let's say you got few at $200, then you collect $50 credit in the previous. No, you collect $20 credit. No, make it collect $10 credit upfront. Then automatically your buying price, your nickel put is 200. You already collect $10 credit upfront. Your break even now is 190.
Maybe next time you will change your mind. You want to buy. Then continue selling a lower price.
But the sell put is only applicable if you're
You
willing to buy
at that price.
And so much contracts and so much shares because
Yeah.
if you buy
You must share equivalent. And now,
Yeah.
if you want to buy a leap, there got 6 different ways of doing leaps.
I mean lower budget so you go for leap.
But $3,000 not enough lah. I think the same principle will come to play if you're doing a diagonals. You're doing something like that. He's going to do a June 2022 version diagonal.
The most I do 3 months.
Because yours is more tactical in nature. If you want to do the leaps, since my tutorial, I'll teach you how to do it, not by straight call per se. Is to do it in such a way that it's either a calendar, we start as a calendar, we morph it into add the money, in the money, out the money. diagonal. But we
shorter
start.
term, shorter term.
No, we
Also,
because you want to do a leap, correct?
yeah.
I can teach you how to do it. Talk to him already. Cannot pecah lubang. After you pay me 5 figures already, so cannot.
Yeah.
Yeah, no worries.
But there's so many different ways of doing it. So if we do a calendar, the best form of studying tactical trading nowadays, I tell people, if you can afford to hold the big shares, hold the capital risk, go and do a calendar. The calendar will be the so-called for those big fat cats, especially one. A calendar will be a better entry trade than a straight call straight puts. Of course, I'm not talking about tactical trading of 20 days. I'm talking about 3 months, 6 months, 9 months.
I got you.
We start with a calendar, then see on the market movement, we can convert it into the money, out of the money, deep in the money, diagonals or things.
Then you still can continue to shop long.
Depends.
Depends.
Also, we must careful how to do it because
Yeah.
the problem with one thing bad for calendars and especially diagonals is really multi-dimensional trading.
The loss can be
Very dimensional. You can structure wrongly, you can end up scare the living life of you when you look at it. There's a reason why TD and Med, in fact, all brokers for calendar and diagonals always put NA. There are no brokers that give a pre-definitive numbers for calendars, especially diagonals. Because diagonals you got too many multi-dimensional. There's too much.
But very short that one. Wow, very nice to play with.
Yeah, because you're skillful. If you're a beginner, you most likely end up
nice.
call me back. So how should I buy? Should I sell? No, fuck give up to them.
So actually, the calendar will be much better than the leads.
Actually, we still consider leaps. Leaps is a terminology referring to a style of options that have more than 100 days to expiry. You can not do a leaps bull call spread, can not? Can. If you do it, I have to kick you out of class.
Immediate.
You understand me? Why? You know reason why. I spent so many 100,000 hours explain to you already. Physically, P&L wise and things like that.
Scolded people many times already.
Because if we keep repeating stupid questions, and then you don't come remember I scold you.
Neck again, no?
Now, the question, so we can substitute anything. So what you want to do, talk to me. Thomas, my budget is $500,000. I have these resources. I want to do this, and then how am I do that? I hit him like that all of them we started all the time and over a period of time especially her, I think revised 2 times or 3 times already. I think we haven't revised yet. Okay. Your so-called your master deployment plan. It's what called portfolio planning, means how much time and things like that. So from there we decided, because my general rule engagement are 50% majority, minority position is 25%. Just in case I don't want you to say, you say emotionally, yes, you commit like he like that, like a friend Keith like that, she follow my 50% rule. But how many of them can lose 28 trades in 8 days, 2 Fridays in a row? But he can, no? Okay, he's a martial artist. So let people do all black eye it's quite used to it. So you can no problem. But most of you like what I say, Thomas, I lose 10 trades. I'm the most incompetent idiot in the world. Then suddenly they cannot wounded so badly that what you call you become the bear. Go back your home and stay there for stop training for 6 months, 9 months, 1 year. Yeah, it's you understand what I'm saying? This is common and this is bad.
Not everyone suitable for trading.
Your job now is to make sure you survive the learning curve. Means that so I have lost. I have against your better advice. I've done this. I lost 15 trades in the last 14 days. Come, so can you explain to me? Can you remind me and explain to me where I go wrong again? Yeah, I don't mind. At least you're not sense of self-denial. It's not like Thomas showing my ritual. How good are you? So what? Limpei, so what? So good. So what? Fed up. Actually, Limpei can lose $41,000 in single day trade. You want to follow me? I think I should post the trade out.
I thought you post already in the Facebook. Yeah, lor.
Came out already,
Yeah. 41,000. That one. The what? Pharmacy, right?
Yeah. So okay, I put it on schedule, but I never saw it. So let's go and see again.
yeah.
See, you sleep.
Yeah.
So you say Thomas limp you know. So it's not show me how much I win, it's show me how much I lose. See, the problem is not winning, it's the ability to lose.
The Greenwich lifestyle.
Yeah. That's the one that.
Just came out already, yeah.
Wow,
Not already.
Which version? 41,506.
Post under where? Under TRT or under my name?
Under your under
Okay.
TRT traders.
TRT trader.
Then I can see also.
Yeah, it's open for everyone.
Yeah, this one.
This one is a
You buy.
yeah.
It's
I don't know, you can see here.
bad advertisement.
I don't care.
Yeah.
Everybody say limp they can, I can. How to afford 5,000 become millionaire? What the fuck bullshit.
I no need to be a millionaire lah.
Yeah.
I live happy with
Yeah.
So
Hey,
I
look,
no need.
that's not the trade I showed you, the trade. Make 1,500. If you keep your lifestyle simplicity, 1 week, it takes $1,000 per month, and you can do a lot of things. You can do your social warfare work. You can see all the K-pop or J-pop one. Maybe you want to go play golf. Like one of my trader now, you go cycling here, go eat good food. Burger some of the restaurant, very expensive restaurant, things like that. I got another couple friend, student, not good already. Travel around the world, but now cannot stay in Singapore already. See? Yeah.
This is alpha trading.
Can lose so much, can make so much.
Trade price 0.55 very small.
It's like this Hillary. What's the price? This is a buying price. I hold too long. I hear my point is I leave it alone in fact.
But this one you close the trade yourself, right? Or is it there was
You think
or expire?
Please, this is mother shares.
Yeah,
Mother
that's
shares is
why-
what? One dimensionality,
Yeah.
perpetuity. Until the company delisted. Or bankrupt. No, delisted still got chance. Bankrupt. You can even delisted, we can still go over the counter pink sheets.
Size. This is one contract.
No, it's not one contract.
One contract. 40 times 100.
Cannot be 40 times 100. 4,001 only.
Yeah.
Yeah.
110.55 times 100 is $40.
No.
But that's the profit. 110 is the actual price.
So
Then
1,000.
so let's say if
Ten
you
lot.
buy one
Well,
lot would be
No, it's one lot. It's actually US market. It's called in terms of number of shares. It's 1,000 shares here.
1,000
shares.
shares.
That's why I say we can use engineer one. So you want to say good now? Still approval can lose cannot lose. What's the problem? Money only. And you know by now, I think you know by now, I very different using. So I do trading also very dangerous myself also. Very bo chap. You know before go for dinner,
师傅, you should close your trade already.
Never mind.
come back become plus 18 minus to minus 18 to minus okay.
Finally, only few thousand only.
Yeah, hold long enough. Become the trade I hold become intramonth trade. Okay, intramonth trade means what? A trade cycle of less than 35 days. And nowadays people I tell people not to hold trade more than intra-week. Means that do not hold a trade more than Friday. That means
The best is intraday lah.
but intraday needs skills and pattern day trading. But for example, when I say the options can hold perpetuity, no problem. Shares, futures, CFDs, and spot forex, especially spot forex and futures. It's an ultra abnormal move. Did I recover my losses? I don't talk about it lor. So you want me to show how much I make, correct? Sure. Better for me to show how much I lose. You say negative, correct? In fact, I don't want to show money. In fact, last time, 3 years ago, I posted a trade. I made $38,000 per gold trade, less than 1 hour. Then my intern called me up, hey, boss, this face fucker, go and clone go and do a screen capture and Photoshop the trade and put his. I sent message to him already.
Two. Okay.
Is it okay to see your portfolio? Yeah.
No. You see, up to
Copy
date,
trade.
up to now, you ever see my live account?
No.
Not even the edu.
Never edu account. Because
He also post a trade for option.
if I do a trade, I always post a trade after the fact.
Yeah.
And sometimes I do the trade, after the webinar live market session over, then I do a trade. Oh.
Then you will know how much we can figure out how much it,
You can figure out what?
yeah. You can figure out.
What is the bid size? Is it the people who are bidding at this price?
Buyer and seller.
Buyer and seller.
Number of buyer and seller.
But you still manage
No,
to
it's wrong.
72.
It's not buy and sell. It's 7 and 1. Just an indicative number only. Be
Oh,
true.
okay. It's not the market. Not the market. Just an indicative.
Somebody say I want to buy that. I want to buy 1 billion. But the guy doesn't mean legally put 1 million must fee 1 million Under the rules of engagement you say I want to buy 1 million you just sell one share, you buy 1 share only you consider the quote done already
Because the ask is at 68.99, but you managed to close it at 72.22.
You sure it's close? I repeat, is it
Oh,
close?
this one is indicative.
Is it close?
That's the market.
It's just the actual current.
Is it close?
Oh, it's not close.
Okay, I did close it I tell you, upfront you my actual loss of my trade is higher than this.
Oh,
This one was screen capture while the trade is still alive. Hey, go check what's the market price now.
Ah.
Go check, see what's the market price now.
You're sure of that?
Cannot already. I checked already last 2 weeks ago. The price is flattish already.
Oh, okay.
But for scalping still can.
English is the one that did the blessing.
This one just one press release only should not do like that.
$35.
Ah.
So another 10K.
Wow, you in short, huh?
No, another 40K.
Another $35,000 No, $32,000 is that. Of course I cannot already lah.
Short, you in short,
I got mental principles. Even if once a while I purposely push the trade to the limit. And there's certain time frame I must close on I don't believe in PAP
Wow,
Sorry. Wait, PAP is not political It's pray and pray.
Pray and pray.
last year this one not move, now move a lot.
$10 for December.
My student make almost 50K this trade.
Oh.
More than that.
Shopping, is it? Oh,
Long.
before that.
Before that lah.
I told you my student sent message so folk, how Kodak abnormal the okay, I can't tell from the
Kodak now.
How do you track for abnormalities in this kind of stocks?
Don't worry don't share too much there's so many in the market.
It's still up like.
The problem is understanding the information we receive.
Yeah, flat.
Example like things like the fin beats like that, heat map. They show map ultra movement, big movements. Or you can go to Bloomberg, look for pre abnormal market movements also have a lot. The problem is not the information of which candidates, it's the ability to understand the opportunities in relation to yourself, your skills and your capital. Whether you can take it straight out. Should I trade shares? Should I trade futures? Should I trade options? Just imagine if I can lose 41K, if I instead of buying, I short. People like me so indifferent to trading as per se
Is $5.
$5.
ATR is $8.
Which one?
Kodak lah.
No more. Because that really stabilized with increase already.
Now 1.5. No, don't do air control. Next week we'll see. FedEx.
Please do me a favor. I talk to you straight as an honest guy. I know I raised that check. I don't care what you think about me. Don't ask people to look at people account size. Don't look at people how people do that. You look at people say, how much can you help you to understand trading in market relation? Are you going to give firm commitment now? And if I need help, can I ask for help now?
Right.
Like he said, show multi-million dollars account size, ask for help. I cannot reach them on. They got three or four gurus outside. Show $1 million account size.
Who?
Where you learn from? Who you learn from?
I learned from a few.
Okay.
Tell me who lah. Then from there you know.
Yeah.
You tell me who, I tell you who lah. You share.
Daniel Low.
Okay.
You learn from him?
My friend learned from him. I got the materials from my partly learned from him also.
Then Ocean Pandit.
Oh, no, I never learned from him.
Yeah, learn from.
So those two are.
Huh?
The rash, the Warren Buffett's.
Yeah, I don't believe.
Warren Buffett, daughter-in-law, and
Yeah.
Former
daughter-in-law.
Then who you learn from?
We are from the same guy. As in,
I don't know.
it's a trend trading thing. It's a different style from it.
Matrix chart.
Question, you want to learn knowledge or you want to learn skills?
Skills.
Knowledge is useless. You know why?
Application is for Google can tell you everything.
No, we got Blink, Sui, Alexi, and what else? So many. Then there's the one for Huawei, don't know what is it? Search machine also what it is. We got search machine also.
Matrix who is the one who teach? Alan.
But it's quite low profile, so not like Adam Khoo.
I also learned from Adam Khoo also. Adam Khoo and Alan.
Then how do you find?
Okay lah.
Then the question is this: are you happy with what you're doing?
Yeah.
Are you competent? Can you do?
Okay, let's go and find Chewy.
Oh no, the hell.
Okay, let's take one company now. I think you know this company called Leaf Crab. Okay, Life company can see now.
I accidentally the thing.
You can see the earnings here.